What's up, guys? I know you guys have been consuming and getting your degrees at YouTube University, and I know you pulled that absentee list because that's what everybody suggests here on YouTube, but I'm gonna share with you the 3 different people that you need inside of that absentee list, so that way you can maximize your real estate investing business to go as high as you want in 2023. Let's talk about it. Person number 1 is the motivated seller. Okay, at the end of the day, a lot of investors, we definitely have a higher risk tolerance, so we'll go after as many deals as we can, even if we don't necessarily have a plan for it. So a lot of investors will buy houses and for whatever reason sell them so that way they can make some money off of it and move to the next deal. And a lot of the time, since we're moving quickly, real estate investors don't mind selling and leaving equity on the table if it benefits them so they can move on and do their next deal and stay in the business. Okay. Number 2 is the private money person. Now, a lot of real estate investors, they go from 1 to 100 houses really quickly, 100 to 300 houses even quicker. And so we end up having a bunch of money and not enough deals so that way we can mitigate our taxes. So whenever you get to that status, you'll start to lend and partner up with other people so you can move that money around in order to mitigate your taxes. Now, in order to find out who those people are in the absentee list, okay, you just need to start listening. So if you're calling somebody on the absentee list and you're saying, hey, Mr. John, I'm sorry for calling you out of the blue. Just want to see if you might consider selling your house on Main Street. And they say, hey, no, I'm not interested in selling anything that I have. Okay, once they say that, don't hang up on the phone with them because they're not a motivated seller. You need to start, asking them, well, hey, are you open to expanding your real estate portfolio through partnerships? Or hey, are you interested in using your cash flow in order to fund deals, that I get direct to seller? You need to open the conversation up to see if they might consider lending or partnering on deals. And I promise you'll be able to create a whole new list of people, not just a motivated seller out of the absentee list. The 3rd person that you're gonna find in that absentee list is cash buyers. Now, you need cash buyers in your real estate investing business because a lot of deals that you come across, the ones that you don't wanna keep, you'll still be able to make money off of if you lock up and get control of those deals and sell them to those cash buyers. Okay, so those are the 3 people that you need inside of your absentee list. So if you're not asking and building a list of these 3 people, motivated sellers, private money personnel so that you can partner with and they can lend on your deals with, and cash buyers so you can sell deals too. If you're not getting those 3 lists out of your one absentee list, you're leaving money on the table. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.